Okay, so I'm starting a series where we compare apps, consumer electronics, and more. And the objective is that it's going to be educating and entertaining as well. And at the end of each video, the community will vote on their preferred option and tell us why. Today, we begin with WhatsApp versus Telegram. These two messaging apps have a lot in common, so I'm going to be highlighting the main differences. And I want you to tell me in the comments right now which you prefer and why. Now, first of all, the numbers. WhatsApp is a billion active user app. That means that at any point in time, there are about 1 billion active users, whilst Telegram is about 200 million active users monthly or daily. So let me tell you a story to explain why this is important. I run a business which helps people to plan their weddings and connect event vendors to their clients. And we have a WhatsApp group for event vendors. Now that group got filled very quickly with 256 members, which is the limit for WhatsApp groups. And we needed to have like multiple WhatsApp groups. And it was very difficult managing multiple WhatsApp groups. So I asked the vendors that we move to Telegram, which can take over 5,000 to 200,000 members. And a few people were hesitant because when they moved to Telegram or when they downloaded the Telegram app, most of their contacts were not there. So they had to keep coming back to WhatsApp, and it proved a bit of a challenge. So today the Telegram group still exists, but it's not active. We've moved back to WhatsApp. And so in terms of numbers, if you are going to go on Telegram, know that today, as at the time of recording this video, most of your family and friends are not going to be on Telegram. They are going to be on WhatsApp. Okay, so now the next point, security. WhatsApp is end-to-end encrypted for everything. Group chats, one-on-one chats, even status updates. Telegram is only encrypted end-to-end for secret chats. Now, when it comes to encryption, what that means in layman terms is even the people at WhatsApp, the developers or the owners of WhatsApp, cannot read the conversations or see the media or files that you are sharing in groups, one-on-one, even on your status updates. But for Telegram, they can intercept that data if you are just communicating in groups, in channels, one-on-one. But there's a feature on Telegram called Secret Chat, and that one is end-to-end encrypted. So the content you post there cannot be seen by anybody at all. So when it comes to encryption, WhatsApp is more secure than Telegram. So next, let's talk about features. Now, WhatsApp has group chats, but like I mentioned earlier, it's limited to just 256 members. So if you have a company or a brand that you want to support your customer base, it means that you need to be getting multiple WhatsApp groups, and it can be a bit challenging managing multiple WhatsApp groups. Telegram, on the other hand, can do up to 200,000 members as at the time of making this video. Both apps support voice and video calls, but group video is limited to just 8 members for WhatsApp. Telegram group chats have so many features, it's just incredible. I'll try to list some of my favorite features for Telegram group chats. First of all, we have bots as administrators. So still using my iFraud Inc. company as an example, on WhatsApp, when a new vendor joins the group, an administrator will need to ask the person like some questions to socialize and familiarize that new vendor with the rest of the members in the group. So things like your name, the services you provide, your location, and things like that. And somebody must necessarily go and type those things. But on Telegram, you can have a bot, which is like a robot, automate that process for you. So I'm in a group on Telegram where anytime somebody joins, the bot would ask you your name, your location, your interest, why you want to join the group, and all that, without fail, automatically. And it makes group administration really, really fun, so that you as an administrator can focus on other more important things. Another really great feature of Telegram is self-destructive messages. So this is kind of like Mission Impossible, where Ethan Hunt will get a message from the Mission Impossible headquarters, and at the end of the message or the recording, it will say this message will self-destruct in 5 seconds, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then the message gets destroyed, so that nobody can trace or know what the Mission Impossible team is up to. So there's a similar feature on Telegram where after you can set it. So like if you're having a conversation or you're sharing a file, you can say that after the person views it for 5 seconds or 10 seconds or a minute or a day, it should be automatically deleted, so that you don't have any wahala of having conversations that remain and people will come and see things that you don't want them to see. Following up on that, you can actually also see when someone takes a screenshot of a conversation. So like privacy is really key when it comes to Telegram. And then you can also edit sent messages. And apart from that, you can share files of almost unlimited sizes on Telegram. So like you can choose to share a video of up to 1.5 gigabytes. On WhatsApp, sharing files and videos is limited to 60 megabytes as at the time of making this video. And if you're sharing a document, it's limited to 100 megabytes. So people actually love Telegram because they can share so much files. People share movies and things like that. In fact, you can search for movies or songs or anything on Telegram and you are going to find it. So it hurts like content creators, like movie creators and song producers and things like that. But then when it comes to piracy and like, you know, open source stuff, you can get almost anything you want on Telegram. So people have said that Telegram is like a major threat to streaming sites like Netflix, Hulu, Amazon Prime and stuff, because the series that they show on Netflix and everything, you can download all of them on Telegram just by searching for the name. So like maybe The Boys or whatever, you can just search on Telegram and you are going to find it there. And another really great feature for Telegram is that you can delete a message that someone sent and it disappears from both of your devices. So I'm chatting with you, you sent me a message, I can choose to delete that message and it will move from off your phone. You know, on WhatsApp, if you share a message and you don't delete it for everybody within 7 minutes or whatever, you can't delete it again. But on Telegram, you can delete both your messages and the other guy's messages and it disappears off the two of your phone. So privacy for Telegram is key. Now, another feature that I love so much when it comes to Telegram is username. So instead of like sharing your phone number, a guy meets you in town, he sees that you are very beautiful and says, can I have your phone number? You say, nah, you can have my Telegram username. And it helps you to stay anonymous so nobody gets your phone number. You can always change your username at any point in time. And yeah, it's a really handy feature. And it doesn't just work for individual conversations. You can search for groups and channels and things like that, robots on Telegram just by the username. So like if I want to let you engage me, I can say maybe you can search for cyber reviews on Telegram and you're going to find me or my group or anything I've created like that and join automatically. A really beautiful feature. And then in a recent update, you can actually interact with people who are around you or nearby people close to your location on Telegram. People who are not even on your contact list. You can see that somebody is 1 meter, 10 meters, 100 meters away from you. You'll be able to see their profile picture, their status and things like that. And then you can converse with them. And it helps to, you know, engage better with people in your community and all that. So it's a really neat feature that Telegram has. And it also makes it kind of like a social media app. Now, WhatsApp is not all bad. Like it has hidden features that people don't even know about. So for example, you can integrate WhatsApp business app to your regular WhatsApp and do e-commerce straight from your WhatsApp app. So let me give you an example. EcoBank has that feature. EcoBank has an app, but then they also have like a WhatsApp chat feature where you can actually transfer money to other people, other banks, buy airtime, pay bills, do Momo transfers and things right within WhatsApp. You don't need to go and download the EcoBank mobile app or things like that. So WhatsApp has opened up their APIs for other banks and other companies to be able to develop right within WhatsApp and then have services within WhatsApp. So it's a really neat feature that is so amazing. And apart from that, in some countries, you can actually make payments and receive money on WhatsApp. So like the way we have PayPal where you can send money to other PayPal accounts, you can actually send and receive money on your WhatsApp. It's not open to all countries, but I believe with time it will be rolled out to all countries in the world. Now, the biggest feature where WhatsApp wins is WhatsApp stories or WhatsApp status. Now, this is a really great feature that you can use to advertise and also show your friends and family what you've been up to. And some have even been known to do premium services on their status. So like if they have some content that they don't want everybody to see and they want some people to pay for it before they see, then they set up a new account and then you pay and then they add you to their contact list. Then you'll be able to see their status and stories like that. So you can take advantage of that if you're an entrepreneur or a budding business owner. Another feature that I like about Telegram is archiving of messages. Like if I don't want the message or a conversation to be shown within the main feed or the main message list, I can choose to archive it, and then it gets hidden from view until I scroll down to unarchive it. And the beautiful thing is, whether the person sends me a message or I go and send the person a message or whatever, it will never show up in the main feed. In fact, sometimes you can archive a message and totally forget that that message exists. But with WhatsApp, if you archive a message and a person sends you a message, it immediately appears at the top of your feed. So sometimes you don't want people to see certain conversations, but they are going to end up seeing it once the person sends you a message. And so these are some of the major features which distinguish Telegram from WhatsApp. So let me know in the comments which social messaging app you prefer. Is it WhatsApp, is it Telegram, or is it a third one? Let me know in the comments below, and especially let me know your reasons why. And if you're new to my channel, I do mobile phone reviews, mobile app reviews, and I bring to you affordable gadget reviews to help you make an informed decision when you're making your next purchase. So if you like that kind of content, please click on the subscribe button and turn on all notifications so you do not miss any episode. Thanks, be brave.